SYLVANIA off-road LED lights are rugged, versatile, and well-built, with multiple beam patterns available to match your application. Before you begin, here is a list of tools that you may need to complete your installation. You have a few different options when mounting SYLVANIA's LED off-road light pods and light bars. Before installation, ensure that you are not planning to run wiring through any active grille shutters and that your intended light placement doesn't obstruct any sensors. One way to mount the lights is to use existing holes on the frame of the car or a trailer hitch. Another option is to purchase an aftermarket bracket designed for your vehicle. Installing one of these brackets will allow you to mount the light directly to the bracket. Simply mount the bracket to the car and secure the light to the bracket. When mounting directly to the vehicle, first measure and dry fit it to the area to ensure it will fit. You may need to drill holes to give yourself a secure spot to mount the bracket that secures the light. SYLVANIA also offers a universal bracket that attaches to the license plate tag holder on your vehicle and provides a no-drill option to mount LED lights. Remove your license plate, place the bracket and license plate on the vehicle, and secure it with your license plate bolts. Once installed, you can secure the light bar to the bracket directly or light pods to the bar via clamps. If you have an existing bar on your car, you can use SYLVANIA tube mount clamp brackets to mount the LED light pods to the bar and slide them to the desired position. With a limited lifetime warranty, multiple mounting options, and factory wiring harnesses, not to mention over 100 years in the lighting business, SYLVANIA is your premium provider of off-road LED lights.